What's up? What's going on? This is Avion Frazier, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a program called MAP, which stands for My Automatic Pay. My Automatic Pay is a program that allows you to receive $247 payments over and over, again, selling informational products online, which teach you how to market whatever program, business, or opportunity you have on the internet. The owner rather, is Frank Vigiano. Hopefully, I'm saying his name correct. He's the owner, and he has a sister program called 98 Unlimited, which he was very successful with, and he created another program to follow up with the success of 98 Unlimited called My Automatic Pay. My Automatic Pay has been around for about a year and a half now, I believe. It was created in 2021. Oh, excuse me, got a little tongue tied. In 2021, and it's been on fire, and it's been on fire for a while. It's a stable program, and it's a legitimate program, and a program that has real staying power. It's not something that's here today, going tomorrow. The program, the owner rather, he updates the program consistently, and the products that you get in the back office are products that teach you how to really go about internet marketing, like with postcard marketing, how many postcards you need to mail out, how to go about marketing. It's technical, but it's easy to understand. Definitely a great program. And I'm going to be ordering postcards soon and show you in a future video, how to go about labeling and stamping the postcards, and how to go about, marketing and promoting, to reach the masses. And that's what it's about. It's about reaching a lot of people through your marketing, whether it's buying traffic, whether it's postcards. You have to reach a lot of people because it's all about numbers. It's a numbers game at the end of the day. So if this program sounds interesting to you, there's going to be a link in the description at the bottom of the video. Definitely click it, fill out, put in your name and email in the brackets, and it'll take you over to the main presentation, which is short. It's only about, I think, maybe 6 minutes if I'm not mistaken, but it's a short presentation. It's going to explain the entire program from A to Z, and hopefully if you like it, you can partner with me and join. And if you do decide to partner with me, I'll show you where to get cheap postcard stamps for 10 cents. I have a source that allows you to get postcards for stamps rather for 10 cents. So definitely hit me up, you know what I mean, when you decide to join, or if you decide to join. Again, the link is in the description of this video, and I'll thank you for listening. I'll thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Have a nice day.